Hey guys, welcome back to Talos. What we have here is a 110 Defender in a very fetching pearlescent white, but it looks a bit plain. You can see it is basically a stock vehicle. So here at Talos, what we're going to do, we're going to take it and make it into something special. Now this we can do for you. Whatever you want us to build, we'll build it for you, and it will be different to everything else on the road. That's what we do. We want you to stand out. We want you to drive along and everyone else in all these same old Defenders that are black and black on black on black. We want them to look at you and go, all right, yeah, that looks cool as hell. I wish I had one of those, which you will. So we will show you how we do it.
Time for strip down. Today we're going to be removing the front and rear bumper and removing the rear tailgate lenses from red to clear. It's a nice little upgrade, so watch this. So now that everything's been stripped off, it's time to give it the Talos touch. Time to add the final touches now with the carbon bonnet, the wheels and the brake calipers.
And here it is, the finished Talos Defender Delta. And I'm sure, as you can see, it looks stunning. I think you'll agree with me that it looks absolutely stunning. So I'll just talk you through what we've done. I mentioned at the beginning of the video what we're going to do. I'll talk you through what we've finally done. So first of all, the colour coding. It took a while to decide what we were going to do because it needed to balance. So we needed to, the scuttle plate at the front, that was white. We painted that black. Same with the A pillars, they were white. There was just too much white going on. With a car that's a colour like white, you need to balance it. You need to balance it. So that's what we did. Next, the full carbon pack. Now, obviously bonnet, side vents, bonnet vents, rear spoiler. I mentioned that before, but we also went with the carbon fibre roof lights. We put everything on, and I wanted it to look slick. Deltas are meant to look quite slick. Obviously, our Recon is over the top madness, but this is in homage to our motorsport history. So it just looked, without the pods on it, just looked a bit lacking in something. So anyway, we put those on, sorted it out, looks fabulous. Going further back, we did the rear wheel delete. Now we've only just put because this hasn't been ordered by anyone, someone might want to put it back if they buy it. We've just put the inserts in. Now, we sold a couple of V8 110s to Malaysia, and they ordered theirs with the full delete, which you can see here, and you can see they look absolutely fantastic. But it's a lot of work, it's quite expensive, but does look really good at the end of it. Wheels. We've gone with 24s. Our own Apache forged wheels, and it drives really nicely. There is a difference between the stock wheels, only 5% though. You do feel a little bit more, but it's not as bad as you think it might be. Nowhere near, in fact. We actually did some V8s with 24s in, and I had to test it before I'd let it go out, and we tested it, and you know what? I was surprised. I was really surprised. So the gold wheels looking fantastic against the white with the carbon accents, and that's what we do. Under the wheels is the uprated bigger brakes, and we've customized those as well to match the white with our logo on. They look smart and makes a massive difference actually. They are really powerful brakes. You know, we drive imagination. We don't want our customers to be generic robots who drive the same as everyone else. That's contrary to everything that I believe in, everything that we believe in. Black on black on black. I mean, don't get me wrong, I've had a couple of murder spec cars, and you know, they've looked naughty. Use your imagination and you think about it. You can make something look stunning, like we do here. And all handcrafted in the UK. Everything we make is made in the UK. Everything we put on the vehicles, from the carbon fibre to the wheels, is handcrafted in the UK. Well, actually there's some machinery, we don't whittle down a wheel, but you know what I mean. You've got the exclusivity of limited numbers as well, whether it be a Defender or one of our Ferraris or Porsches. You know, you receive a plaque with the number on, the vehicle number, so you'll know that not everyone else, or not many other people in the world or in your country, are driving that car, which is what we want. We don't want everyone in the same generic car, as I said. I want to build you something that makes you feel special and look special. And this, I'm not going to lie, all our cars get looks, and I mean looks. This, I've got to say, has probably got the most out of all the cars I've driven, all the Talos vehicles I've driven anyway. Now, there was a guy in Leeds the other Sunday, and he was with his missus, and he saw the car and he didn't look at her, he just tapped her and went, "That's gorgeous." Things like that. You get it all the time. Every Talos vehicle we do, it stands out, people notice it. You know, people will come up to you and go, "That's lovely," like that. I've had some really good conversations with some really interesting people. So, there you go, an example of a Talos Defender Delta build. If you're interested in having us make something for you, please get in contact. Also, if you go to our new website, talos-vehicles.com, you'll be able to see all the other things we're doing, the resto modded Ford RS200, the electric Fiat 500, the really special Ferrari 599XX, the Porsche RT. It's all on there. So, we'll see you next time. Bye.